everybody, welcome back. My name is Alicia Kay and this is Gil Vidals, the CEO of HIPAA Vault, an MSSP specializing in HIPAA compliant cloud services. So last week we talked about Gmail and Virtru and how to make it HIPAA compliant. Can you just explain a little bit more what Virtru is exactly?
Sure. That's a complicated thing. It's something that we get asked about a lot. So Gmail, Google Mail, is an excellent email client. Mm-hmm. You have to buy and enable this Virtu encryption module that goes on top. And that module, what it does is it ensures that every email is encrypted and that the recipient, when they receive it, they can decrypt the message.
Okay. And would you recommend this over something like Office 365, or are they comparable?
That's a great question, Office 365 versus Google Vitru. But before I answer that, I want to describe a little bit more about Virtu. The Virtu module also includes an extension that you turn on in the browser. Mm-hmm. And that extension is very important, the Virtu extension. What that extension does is it allows for the message to be encrypted. It provides a way to encrypt it, and it ensures that when it goes out, it's all encrypted 100%, and then the receiver can then decrypt that. But once you enable that module, everything's seamless. Everything just seems to work like magic.
So it's encrypted up until the point it gets to the receiver, and then
they can decrypt it and read it. And then as far as your question about whether you should use Office 365, Office 365 is cheaper and in some ways maybe more intuitive. But if you're already using Microsoft products, go with the Microsoft route. If you already have Google accounts, then just use the Google one. But Google's more expensive, the solution. The Virtu is a lot more expensive. But if you have at least 5 Gmail accounts, it's easier, yeah. That's what I would do.
All right. Well, thank you so much. That was very helpful.
Thank you.